Today is April 23rd. We can plant some strawberries. Strawberries can be planted from bare roots or plants. We are going to use bare roots today. Strawberries are planted in spring and they are perennials and they come back every year. Bare root strawberry plants come in packages like this. 10 in one package for $5. While we are preparing the soil, we can put these bare roots in water for at least 30 minutes. We need to open the package and separate the roots. We can always put the roots in water, then it will be easy to separate the roots. All these bare roots are tied together with this rubber band. We need to remove the rubber band first. Let's see how many we got here. The package says 10. This is 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and a bonus one too. So we got 11 of this bare roots. We can soak these bare roots in water for at least 30 minutes. We are going to plant strawberries in hanging baskets today. These are metal baskets with cocoa lining. There are 2 benefits for planting strawberry in hanging basket. Number 1, if you have problem with the deer, you can keep it hanging, then deer cannot reach it. Number 2, since they are cocoa lining, they have good drainage. Before filling the baskets with the potting soil, we can put some mulch at the bottom for drainage. Now we can fill the baskets with the potting soil. This is 75% potting soil and 25% compost. Both the baskets are filled with the potting soil. Now we can start planting the strawberries. This part of the strawberry bare root is called crown. The crown should be above the level of the soil when we plant them. We can start planting them. I'm going to plant 5 strawberries in one basket. Before planting, we can separate the roots or spread the roots and make a hole. And when you plant, the crown should be above the level of the soil. Crown is where the roots meet the stem or where the leaves start forming. If the roots are too long, we can cut them off a little bit. Spread the roots and plant them. We are done planting them all in 2 baskets. Now we can give it a thorough watering. After watering, the last step is mulching. The mulch will retain the moisture, and when the strawberries start bearing fruits, the fruit will not be touching the soil if you have mulch over it. Strawberries need full sun, and you can hang it where they can get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. I hang it on this front yard tree. After you start seeing new shoots on the strawberry plants, you can start fertilizing them every 2 weeks for good yield. Thank you and happy gardening.